Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. Today, we will delve into the quality module, specifically the quality goal tool. This powerful subfunction ensures your products meet the highest standards. Let us get started. First, log into your Parsimony account and navigate to the quality module. Once there, click on the quality goal tool to set specific quality objectives for your process. In the Quality Goal tool, you will find an intuitive interface where you can define your quality goals. Begin by selecting the process you want to set goals for. Now, let us establish measurable quality parameters. Click on Add New Goal to create a new quality goal for your selected process. Provide a clear and concise name for your goal, select the relevant procedure, and set monitoring frequency. Next, the objectives set the target value and UOM to ensure that it meets the desired quality criteria. Once you've defined your goal, save it, and you will see it listed in the Quality Goal dashboard. This gives you an overview of all your quality objectives for different processes. Parsimony makes it easy to keep an eye on your quality goals. Simply navigate to the Quality Review section. Here, you will find a detailed summary of your quality goals, including their current status. The system will automatically update the progress based on real-time data. And that's it. With the Parsimony Quality Goal tool, you can confidently set, track, and achieve your quality objectives, ensuring your process meets the highest standards every time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Ready to elevate your quality management? Your success is just a click away.